Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, easy to make lobster stir fry recipe. Now, here are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have some stir fry sauce, lemon juice, some sesame oil, olive oil, a little bit of water, one medium lobster tail. I have my habanero pepper, cilantro, a little bit of carrot, some green onion, red onion, bell pepper, ginger, and some garlic. All right. So we're just going to jump right into the video and make the magic happen. Stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is cut your lobster tail. We're just going to split the lobster tail in half. All right, so once you split the lobster tail in half, guys, we're just going to remove the meat. Just like this. After you remove the meat from the shell, then we're just going to dice it up, add some seasoning, and then we're just going to saute everything together. Yes, guys, so at this point, just want to dice the lobster tail, medium dice. All right. Then I'm just going to add some seafood seasoning, about a teaspoon of seafood seasoning, guys. We're just keeping it simple today. Nice and simple. All right, so we're just going to let this sit for a few seconds while we get the saute pan ready. We're going to add some oil, some olive oil with a little bit of sesame oil, blend those two oils together, and then add the other ingredients. All right. All right, so we're just going to add some olive oil, guys. Like I said, it's a little drizzle, not much. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of, Add a teaspoon of sesame oil. The sesame oil is just for flavor, you know. All right. Make sure this pan is hot. And then we're going to saute our veggies, guys. We're going to add, like our red onions and all the ingredients that I mentioned earlier. And you just want to turn your stove to about a medium-high heat. We're not going to turn it up too high. All right. Just stir it up a little bit. And once our veggies become, nice and soft, then we're going to add our lobster tail, what else? Our stir-fry sauce, a little bit of lemon juice, some water, and we should be good. So we're just going to saute our veggies for about a minute, guys, and then we're going to add lobster tail. All right. Lobster tail in. Stir it up. It's smelling so good, guys. Wonderful. Wow. And now we're going to add our lemon juice and some water. About a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we're going to add water. So after you add your water, guys, just stir it up a little bit. And once it comes back to a boil, then we're going to add our stir-fry sauce. Yeah, so we're going to add our stir-fry sauce. This is about a half bottle of stir-fry sauce. Stir it up. And then we're just going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes, guys. And then we should be good to go. We're just going to serve it on a plate of rice, white rice, and enjoy. So continue to watch the video, guys, and stay tuned. Yes, guys, so the lobster stir fry is good to go. It's cooked. Like I said, we're just gonna place it on a nice bed of rice. you know, with our sauteed veggies and our stir fry sauce. Smelling good already. Yes, guys, so this is it. We're about to do a quick taste test, and I'm gonna let you know how it turns out, you know, let you know if it's good or not. And if it's not, I'm gonna be honest, but guys, Chef Keegan here, it's good. So continue to watch the video. Let's try the lobster first. Cool it down a little bit. Wow. Nice and soft. You know, the carrots, you know, al dente, you know, just right, perfect. The spice level, just right. It's good. It's a good recipe, guys. I love it. Woo! Yes, guys, so we're at the end of the video, and thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.